First this morning, we start with the impact of Title 42 here in Western New York. On your screen right now are the 6 counties in the region that have issued specific orders seeking to prevent any potential efforts to send asylum seekers here without permission.
Those counties are Niagara, Orleans, Genesee, Wyoming, Chautauqua, and Cattaraugus, and they've all declared states of emergency. And leaders in those counties say they lack resources and the housing needed to accommodate the growing number of immigrants pouring into New York City.
Yeah, and they're trying to prevent a potential social, health, and emergency services crisis within their borders. Daybreak's Lauren Hall joins us this morning with more from those counties. Good morning, Lauren.
Good morning, Pete. Good morning, Melissa. As you just mentioned, some of these local counties say they simply just don't have the resources to support migrants from New York City. So they're pushing back, even enacting emergency orders to prevent what leaders say could create the potential for financial crisis. Niagara County's emergency order prohibits local hotels, bus companies, or other entities from accepting a contract for these trips. There are fines of up to $2,000 per migrant per day for any business that violates the order. Niagara County Sheriff Michael Filicetti says he doesn't know of any violations yet, but he says this is a preemptive move.
And, again, if it's in violation of this executive order, this emergency order, then action could be taken to charge a B misdemeanor. And again, I don't want to have to enforce this emergency order, this local order. So that's why this is going out now, again, preemptively, to say, don't enter into these contracts, don't do this, because it's going to create a crisis here in Niagara County.
In Chautauqua County, social service agencies have been housing 80 migrants since November, and a spokesman for Erie County says that they have not issued any such order. Their statement read in part, quote, "We are unaware of even a single asylum seeker arriving in Erie County from New York City, so there's no emergency to respond to." Peter, Melissa, back over to you.
All right, Lauren, thank you. And Governor Kathy Hochul spoke about the possible influx of asylum seekers that are heading to New York State. Recently, the governor said that she is looking at SUNY and CUNY campuses for housing. Hochul says while this is a complicated situation, it could lead to opportunities.
If they could get temporary protective status, which means they can start to work after 30 days, we could have them working at farms, in the restaurants. I sat down with the National Restaurant Association today. They want workers as soon as possible. So there is an opportunity. This has been challenging. We can create an opportunity for New York employers here by getting some changes we need out of Washington.
She wants them to work after 30 days, but under current law, according to the governor, asylum seekers must wait upwards of 6 months to be able to work.